everybody, Jim with Totally Relaxed here again. Here we are at the shop. She cranked up this morning and I just went over everything with Marco. Everything needs to be fixed, and he said probably next week we even get to it, get started on it. A lot of it's electrical stuff, and you know, I've waited 7 years to get a van, so I don't think a couple more weeks gonna make that big a deal, you know. So, but anyway, it is at the shop now, and I'll call my insurance company and tell them to take off the insurance right quick until I come to pick it up. And y'all say a prayer for me in regards to getting that title to get changed over. So anyway, just want to give y'all this short video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now. Have a good day.